Ready?
Yeah, I'm fucking ready, dude.
Yeah, the sun is fucking glaring right at you.
Riding my downhill bike down the hill.
Oh yeah?
So everyone that was going on these trails was going up in Malibu.
A ton of hills, man.
I don't know if it's suicide
Cheers, boys.
You won this whole part of the trail?
Fuck yeah.
I'll wait for you because I'm not interested.
Alright, well, I'm not going down it. Fuck that. First thing, give me a break. Hey, you just went straight off, just like that little knuckle right there. Fucking guy. First thing, oh yeah, pretty mellow. You! Atta boy.
If I would have had them 27 5s, I would have cleared them rocks a little better. You have it on the Pro?
I think so. Is it flashing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big gap. Pretty rough. Oh yeah! Big old fucking potholes. Running like a motherfucker. Feet are slipping. All right.
Medic!
You!
Medic, my boy!
Yeah.
Look what you just went down.
Send it. That was sick. Just washed out.
Yeah.
Fucking landed on the front brake like an idiot. I'm going slow guy way. Slow guy style.
No, just like watch me how I go off.
Money. Fucking money. All day. Oh no, not gonna happen. Sorry, bub. Yeah. Holy shit. God damn. This shit is fucking gnarly. This shit is gnarly. Is this the shit we were going down at the park?
No, this is a little bit gnarly.
Yeah, this is not. No, this is not that. Fuck. Hate to do it, but I have to. Just not ready for all that shit. I'm gonna fucking fly right off that berm.
Right down there? No.
Oh my sketchy balls. Nose wheelie down.
Dude, I just rode the front tire for so long.
Damn, this shit is fucked up. Okay.
Definitely not as cool as I thought I was when I got here.
What happened?
Definitely not as cool as I thought I was when I got here.
Oh, yeah. If you want to burn out, then burn out.
Oh yeah. Sick. Phew. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. That's not good. You all right, brother? Hang in there. I know, I see it. You're all right. Stay calm. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. It's all good. Stay calm. You're fine. All good. Oh, that's a good cherry. Hang in there, Bubba. You're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. Stay right there. Stay right there, Mike. Hey, run! That's a wrap. Okay. Okay, we can get an ambulance, but we gotta get you back down off the hill unless you're gonna stay here and we're gonna helicopter you out of here.
Dude, I don't know, please.
But we're
figure it out.
I know, I got you, brother, but it's your hand. I know it's fucked up. But can you walk to the bottom of the hill?
I can't walk.
Okay. We want me to call your dad or your girlfriend?
I don't know.
Your girlfriend's gonna answer, okay. If she didn't answer, I'm calling your dad.
Just call 911.
Okay. Hey, what's up, brother? This is Nick. I got some bad news. Mike just broke his wrist. We're stuck in the middle of the trail. We're not sure whether or not we need to, like, I can see the road from where we are, but it's a ways and he's busted up bad. So do I call 911 or do I try to work him down to the bottom of the hill? It just happened. It's like bad. He's gonna be fine, but.
Oh, fuck.
Mikey broke his wrist bad. Where are we located, Ryan?
Off of Rocky Peak.
Off of Rocky Peak and Simi Valley.
You can't get us down to the bottom. You can't. How far to the bottom where you gotta go?
Ryan, that's a you question. I've never been here before.
It's pretty far.
So, I mean, he's got a bad broken arm. Bad. He's gonna be fine, but his arm's fucked. And he's like, we're walking down this might not be like the brightest idea. I think we might be the only option we have, but he's in a lot of pain. I don't.
That's gonna be expensive.
Yeah, I know that. That's gonna be it's super expensive.
Can you get him down the hill? I'll try to meet you up there.
I can try. But am I gonna be able to get you to stand up at all, brother?
No. Dude, I can't. Oh my god.
Give me your good arm.
I can't stand up with.
You're a tough son of a bitch, Mike. You're gonna be good as you hit your vape. You're gonna be cool, dude. It's gonna be fine.
Please get me help.
I'm trying. So, do we try to get him down to the bottom of the hill? I think that's our only option right now. And if we can't do it, then we call 911, Mike. If we call 911, it's gonna be a good 20 grand. So I need you to try. You're gonna have to get up on your feet and let that do whatever it's gonna do.
Dude.
You okay? Did you just fall? Mikey, did you just fucking fall?
I can't do it, dude.
Did you just fall, dude?
Can't do it, dude. Get a paramedic, dude.
You really can't do it?
I can't do it, dude.
I mean, what they're gonna do is they're gonna put you on a stretcher and carry you out of here.
That's fine. We need to make it happen.
Okay. You know the location better than I do. You should talk.
911 emergency. What are you reporting?
We're in Rocky Peak off one of the trails, and one of my friends went down on his bike
Broke his wrist.
and broke his wrist.
Guys, if you're gonna be Corkville
on your
side
neck here?
or
Any neck, back, or
Rocky Peak side,
pain at all?
what do you need?
no? Just your wrist?
On the... Are you able to...
Some more pain meds.
Okay, I'll just stay right there. You got a foot. Copy that. Same look.
Not,
Yeah, I got it.
just as long as it's kind of above his arm, we're good.
Mm-hmm.